Okay, here we go. We're going to look at FIFO, which is first in, first out, using the perpetual inventory system. And this is going to show you what the inventory subsidiary ledger looks like. So be real patient with this. You'll be fine. These are the transactions we're going to look at. You might want to write those down. If not, I'll kind of keep you posted as we go along. We're going to look at beginning inventory. We're going to look at sales, a purchase, 2 more sales, and a purchase. So, and you'll notice each one of these sells for $30 a unit. First thing up we're looking at is establishing the inventory. We have 1,000 of whatever it is, and they cost $20. So the cost of our inventory, or the value of our inventory right now, is $20,000. So let's go to our first transaction. We sold 700 for $30 and received sales of $21,000. But I can't take that out of my inventory. What I want to look at here is what is the cost of my inventory that I'm selling. And this tells me it's $20 a unit. So I sold 700. I put the $20 a unit right here. Gives me a total cost of $14,000, which gets transferred to your cost of goods sold. That comes over here, okay? You're looking at this. So we're going to, now how much is left in inventory from this? So I've taken 700, so I have $320, so I have $6,000 left in inventory. We're going to come down to the next one. Let's go to the next one. And this one says, oh gosh, we probably bought inventory. So first record that here. 500 at $22.40 at a total cost of $11,200. So what is our inventory comprised of now? Well, let's bring this 300 down. So I have 300 at $20. That's $6,000. And I've just added 500 at $22.40. So my total inventory is now worth $17,200. Let's go to our next entry. It appears we sold some more. And we sold $10,000 worth on the 22nd, and we sold a total of, it looks like, 400. So I've got 400. Now, when I'm using first in, first out, I'm going to take 300 from this one. So that's 300 at $20. That's $6,000. That means I'm incorrect. It's 360. I'm sorry. So we are going to then take 60 from that 500. That's 60 at $22.40. So it's a total of $1,344. My cost of goods sold, or cost of merchandise sold, is $7,344. That leaves in inventory 440 of this last layer at $22.40. So my inventory at this point has $9,856 in it. Let's go look at the next one. Looks like we sold some more on the 30th. And it looks like we sold 240. So I've got 240. Here's my layer. 440 at $22.40. So that $240 that I sold cost $22.40 or each, or $5,376 for the cost of goods sold here. What does that leave me in inventory? If I sold 240, I had 440, so now I have 200 at $22.40 with a total value of inventory of $4,480. Let's go to the next one. Oh, it looks like we bought some. So now I bought 600 at $23.30 for a total amount of $13,980. So now they're asking, okay, so I've got to add that to my inventory. I had 200 at 4480. I've now added 600 at $23.30. So now what is my total inventory? It's going to be these two numbers added together on the 30th. So let's go down here and look at that. So here's my inventory, January 1st, 31st, 18,460. How much was my cost of goods sold overall? 26,720. Now that's first in, first out.